Ebuka Obi, any day you will mention chief priests again, you know that you have violated my law. You know that you are looking for my trouble, and I will come from Germany. Anywhere you are, I will catch you. Choose date, time, and the venue if you have power. Choose date, time, and the venue if you have anything to show. Ebuka Obi, choose date, time, and the venue if you have anything to offer. Let the international community watch you, me and you. Let the German government, German people, European government, European people, all the people in the whole world, let them watch me and you and see how I will disgrace you, idiot.
Ọhaneze Ndi Igbo ekene m onye ọbụla niile asị m Igbo Chineke nna kelichọ mana n'ọbụna osi na adunu mana aya na-eweta ozi ka o si dị na onye ọbụla ma mma na stand for the truth. So o nwere nwoke a na-akpọ nwoke Edi, traditional nwoke Edi. Optago na apịasụ n'ihe Ebuka Obi kwuru na ya eme nke ame nke ọzọ, mekwa nke ọzọ. Na Ebuka Obi tea time and date ka ha na-abịa ka ọ bịa mee Ebuka Obi expose for who he really is. Let me tell you something, guys. No boho. Don't believe ihe mmadụ na-agwa gị ejelu ụka bụkwa na ejelu afọ n'anya. Ọ ihe kwugide maka mgbe TV Joshua kwugide. But no na-ewute m very well na towards the end of his life ka ndị mmadụ bịa chọpụta wode mmadụ ọnwụ. And by the time ọ nwụrụ, the people get to learn more from him mgbe ọ nwụrụ anwụ than mgbe ọ dị ndụ. Ihe ọbụla iyi eme mmadụ isi n'iyi eme nke ame nke ọzọ. Ebuka Obi is actually saying the truth regarding ndị omenala na ajụ ihe ha mego. Onwe ha ebe ndị ọjọọ na-adịrọ. Okwu o kwuru ka anya na onye eze ji enwe problem till today. Onye eze Jizọs na-agba okwu okirikiri, ọ chọghị ịkpa afa. Mana you use your intelligent as a blogger mbụ, you can decode ihe mmadụ na-ekwu. You can decode by the time you get okwu mmadụ na-ekwu, get video mmadụ for good 10 minutes. I can categorically analyze the signal here na ebe yo in a channel okwu gị too. That is why we are here. Nwoke dị bịago bịa kwuchi okwu niile ikwu maka Ebuka Obi. And they know away. Away. Na asị na ya abata. Ị naghị abata mgbe a na-agba ọfala, ị naghị abata mgbe a na-awaji. Ị naghị abịa mgbe a na-eme ihe ọbụla dị ihe ndị ọdịnala. Ị naghị abata mgbe ndị izu ọgụ, ndị beperiko ma ha mgbe ha na-awaji ide abata. Ị na-abata mgbe ndị ọka na-eme nke ha. Nọ ịchọ ịbata mgbe maka gị na Ebuka Obi na-enwe issue. Ịma na ọnwụ chọrọ igbu nwa nkịta na ha ekwe ka ọ na-esi nsị. Achọ m kwụ nene video ebe nwoke dị na challenge Ebuka Obi na na-echeta azụ ọzọ.
Hello, Ebuka Obi. This is a chief priest. Chief Nwokedi Oliver Emeka. I am residing in Oldenburg, Germany. I heard say that the Chief Ebuka Obi will deal with the chief priests. Chief Ebuka Obi, I am a chief priest. My shrine or my temple is located in Obagu. The branch is in Germany. Any day, I will see you in Obagu. Or any day you will deal with the chief priest and spelling me, or you do not deal with me, or you do not do anything to me, then I will know that you are making mouth. I am a chief priest. I just want to speak it in English because I have spoken Igbo for a long time. But I have heard you speaking English, and it seems that the chief priests are afraid of you. I am a chief priest recognized by German government. by European Union, by international community. I am the only chief priest who will silence you. I work, I'm working. I think you do not have a job. All the pastors in Nigeria, your time is over. The pastors have to get a job. All of you that is using microphone and deceiving people, doing fake miracles, doing every kind of fake things, lying to people. This my video will be the part of the silent to silence you. International community, I want you to watch this video. Everybody will watch this video. The chief priests have said that the Nigerian pastors are the discriminating and the lying and the doing all kind of nonsense. I am a chief priest. At the end of the day, Ebuka Obi, you will talk nonsense again about the chief priest. I will deal with you personally. I am a maker. I am Nwoke Diorive Emeka. I live in Oldenburg, Germany. All this nonsense that people are doing in the southeast will end. This video is I watching you. This video that I am making is the eyes that is watching you. All the fake things and the illegal money launderers, all the 419ers, all the fraudsters who are defrauding the Europeans and the Americans and the Asians. They are using Nigerian passports. And when they defraud the people, and they will become and praying. All these people that is praying in Zion should be monitored and investigated. And this is how all the fraudsters and those who are bringing bad names to Nigeria will end. Nigerians are having bad names everywhere in the whole world. If you are not selling drugs, they will be doing Yahoo. They will be doing all kinds of illegal activities. Nigerians are many in prisons, in European prisons, in American prisons, in Asian prisons, all kinds of prisons in the whole world. Nigerians are in the prisons, and they are Christians, and the mainly are Zion, the people that your church members. You will be using microphone and deceiving people and saying that I am taking over the East. Anything you do in the Southeast, you will give account. You will be held accountable. You will give account everything that you are doing in the Southeast. All your lawyers. I want a lawyer that is supporting you. I need that lawyer to come open. You have a lawyer. You will pay lawyer money to be defending you. That is not even existing in anywhere. Igbo people have to be educated, integrated in working and making earning. Stop integrating people and giving them orientation that they will believe in magic. People will pray. After praying, money will be on the table. People will pray. After praying, everything will come to them. Ebuka Obi, that is not working here. You see, here in Germany, I'm a chief priest. Chief priest of Ududenka, Obago, and Umuoko. Ududenka prince, chief priest of Ududenka, is working in Germany. Nigerian pastors are not working. They are Yahoos. They are illegal money launderers. All kinds of illegal activities. Nigerian pastors are doing it. They are using Jesus Christ, are using Christianity to deceive the whole world with the fake miracles, fake prophecies, fake everything. Now you are in Nollywood. Ebuka Obi, if you make noise again, my own lawyer will take your lawyers and take all this nonsense that you people are doing in Nigeria. Nonsense. Come to Germany and preach and know that you will not go to jail. Come to England and preach and see that you will not go to jail. People are working hard. People are creating job opportunities. You and the Hope Uzodinma said by the end of this year, 4,000 Imo youths will be employed in Europe. Tell Hope Uzodinma that the Nigerian passport do not work in Europe. Even if you come here with all your nonsense education in Nigeria, you have to go to our own level before you get our working permit, before you can be able to work here. Nigerian passport is not working in Germany. It's not working in Europe. So what Hope Uzodinma said is lies. The same people, all these nice nonsense people that is saying they are Christians, selling all kinds of lies, deceiving the youths. Average Nigerian youth do not have a job. They don't even know that if you work, you can make money. All they know is pray and waiting for money to come. If money do not come, they will take gun and start stealing. Southeast is not safe. All these people that is going to rob people, stealing from people, they are going to church to pray, and they become you their pastors. All this nonsense will end. Nigeria police are going to Zion, supporting Ebuka because he collect money from people, and Ebuka will give them money, and they will eat the illegal money, and they start doing illegal jobs. International criminal police have to investigate Nigerian police, all those people that is working with you, idiot Ebuka Obi. Let me see any day you will talk against the chief priests again. I will come after you, both the physical and the psychological, and anyhow we want it, I will come after you. Our culture and the tradition have at the most be respected. German government are respecting this culture, and that is why we are working here. If the chief priest can work in Germany, why not you pastors? And you're not working, deceiving people. Ebuka Obi, when it's time to do signs and wonders, I'm the only one who will do it, not you. You will end up in Nollywood acting. All your fake DBS will end up in Nollywood acting. But when it's the due time to do signs and wonders, I, chief priest, Mr. Nwoke the Oliver Emeka, will stand up and do it again and again. All this nonsense you are talking, nobody, all those people that you are deceiving are believing it. International and intelligent people are not believing in those things. Obama work hard. Angela Merkel here work hard. All our president and the Bundesminister and everybody is working hard. Everybody in Germany is working hard. Everybody in Europe is working hard. All of you in Nigeria are praying. 419ers, illegal money launderers, organ traffickers, and you're deceiving people, thinking that we don't know what you guys are doing. You the hypocrisy that is showing people that you are praying, but you never show people what you are doing. CCTV camera will be carrying you. We will mount camera everywhere to capture all you people. The criminals will steal in the night. They will steal in the secret. And in open place, they are using Bible to be showing people that they are Christian, they are Christian, they are praying, they are praying. No, there is time for everything in this world. Time to pray, time to walk. Time to sleep, and time to run, and time to walk, and time to do many things. Stop deceiving people. Very soon, those people that is a victim of your fraud will come to your church and take what belongs to them. Thank you very much, you that is watching me. Ebuka Obi, any day you will mention chief priests again, you know that you have violated my law. You know that you are looking for my trouble, and I will come from Germany. Anywhere you are, I will catch you. Choose date, time, and the venue if you have power. choose date, time, and the venue if you have anything to show. Ebuka Obi, choose date, time, and the venue if you have anything to offer. Let international community watch you, me and you. Let the German government, German people, European government, European people, all the people in the whole world, let them watch me and you and see how I will disgrace you, idiot. Thank you very much. And tomorrow talk about the chief priest again. Look at where I am working. Because I don't believe in magic. I don't believe in signs and wonders. I don't believe that when you pray, money will come to table. I believe that when you work, you get money. And that is what I am encouraging everybody. To go and look for job, look for something doing, even if you block industry, even if you are serving people cement, even if make sure you work, don't be idle. Make sure you go and have something doing. Make sure you have something doing. Ebuka Obi, you are deceiving the Imo youths and deceiving the Igbo youths, making them lazy, making them believe that when they pray finish, money will come. Ebuka Obi need to go to jail. If Nigerian police do not come after you, if for all these intelligences they put there do not come after you, I know that they are not intelligent and they don't know anything. You are deceiving the youth. You are making the youth to be lazy. You are making the youth to become criminal. Because if the youth go and work in the morning or work in the day, in the evening they will think well. But when people will use their time and pray, after praying, the next thing is, I don't mind this devil workshop. So Ebuka Obi, you are the cousin of all the criminals and all the insecurities in the southeast or in Nigeria. Because he never created a job. You are making people to believe that when they pray, money will come. I am a chief priest. I standed in 3,000 years of history. And I never violated it. I go to work. I respect myself. I work. I work to make my money. So, anytime Ebuka Obi will mention chief priest again or try to bring our name down, I will sue him to court. I will sue Ebuka Obi to court. And anybody who come there, I will teach you a small lesson. I work in the night to be able to make my day better. I encourage all the people that is hoping that when you pray, you make money, to go and look for work or you learn for work. Learn work, learn work. Only work can make you to be rich. Only work can make you to be success in your life. Only work can make you those things that you are praying in idiot churches. Only work will grant that to be successful. I never see anybody who pray and make money. So, thank you very much for watching. I don't want to speak too much. I don't want to talk too much because I believe in action. And action is action speaks louder than voice. Let all these lazy people, lazy man who call himself pastor or evangelist, lazy people, all the time you are praying, you never achieve anything. All you are doing is in the night you go and steal, deceiving people to collect their money. I want the international community to be ready because I'm going to put Ebuka Obi where he belongs. I will sue Ebuka Obi in international criminal court. All these Nigerian people coming to Europe here to bring bad names to Nigerians, to bring bad names to Africa. They will carry drug and come to airport. The police will catch them and put them for jail. Ebuka Obi will pray for them and tell them that when you go, you will cross very easy. Police will not see you. And when they come here, police will catch them. This is Ebuka Obi causing it and say he's a man of God. You are man of, you are criminal. International criminal court, I will come after you. Let me hear you mention chief priest again. He will not, I will follow you like a cloth and transport you to Den Haag or anywhere. We are suffering to make our ancestors better name. Ududenka is working in Germany, was recognized. So let me see you again talking bad about the chief priest. And I will see that one chief priest will come from Germany to deal with you seriously. Thank you very much for watching me. I am still chief priest. Ezemo Ududenka Kingdom from Obago Nkwago. All the chief priests in Igbo Land, be happy you have a man, not Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi isi. Check a token.
Honestly, in the video from ne like Ili Biko Kabaru, subscribe online na channel like Abakwanaro, and I will notification giki so line with them notification Bobble na Attire video for a Kabaru subscribe channel this channel, drop a comment again na comment section. I see no daily Igbo name. I have Bakwana number month. Ayabakwana na imagoni ano zekete na onye obuna osa na agbakita bụ egwu onye ọkala obi. Everybody should be careful. Inwe nwanne, especially inwe nwanne no Abuja. The level of one chance passengers no Abuja karịrị kita. Awere na asụ ụmụ Igbo biko na agbasa ozi na akpọkwa ụmụ nwanne gị na phone na adọkwa onye ọbụla aka na ntị maka kita mgbe eji ebele ụmụ nwaanyị ala agolo mmadụ anya ka ewe gwọta ọgwụ in order to meet ka ewe meet ọpụnya okoko moto na village ko mgbe December comes and go mana ihe imete biha eji wee judge gị. Ekenekwa m Igbo niile na asị na adịla onye ọbụla na mma ka enwere mgbe ọzọ.